Hi, welcome to this week's 1 Minute Wednesday. This week I wanted to discuss password managers with you as it's something we do get asked a lot of questions about, and after running last week's cybersecurity training it reminded me to share this with you. So how do password managers work? Very basically, when you visit a website or open an application on your PC or phone, the password manager recognises the website or application and fills in the username and password for you. At this point, the question we usually get is this safe? I believe so, and the National Cybersecurity Centre say it's best practice as well, and there's a very good reason. Passwords generated by a password manager are typically set to be 20 plus characters long and are completely random, so the risk of a password manager being hacked is offset by the fact your passwords you're going to be using will be different for every single site or application you use, and all extremely strong. And at this point, another question is usually, but I save my password in my web browser. Is that secure? You might want to consider a password manager because the password manager part of any browser is an add-on and not really designed with the greatest security in mind, but more convenience. They are far too easy to get around, and the simple way to look at them is that they are not as secure as a password manager. A few other features that password managers have as to why I'd recommend them. When you change your passwords, the password manager automatically generates and saves the new password for you. If you want to use two-factor authentication on that system, the password manager can handle that for you rather than a mobile device, which is great if staff do not have company mobile devices for the two-factor authentication codes. Sharing password becomes a lot more secure. You can use a password manager to share your passwords with individuals or teams within your business, and you can even set it that they can't see the password. It will let them log into the website, but they will never know the password to it. So if there's a piece of software I suggest that you invest in to make yourself more secure, a password manager is high on that list for me. They typically only cost a few pounds per month. So hopefully that's been useful, cleared up a few questions, and I'll see you next week on another 1 Minute Wednesday.